So I'm at another abandoned place. This place is actually really cool. 10-year controls, industrial control panel systems. I guess they sold control panels. I don't know, but let's see what it looks like on the inside. Here we go. Ooh, these people took business real seriously. Look at that. All sales are final. Oh, look at it. Looks like something out of Star Wars, like a little R2-D2. There's insulin. Don't want to be breathing that shit in. Wow, that's like a big garage. See, this is what I love about abandoned places. You can tell somebody, look at all the stuff they bought for this place. They really cared. And that's the cool part and the sad part at the same time, is somebody really cared. Wow. This place is awesome. This place is really cool. What's over here? Air duct. That must be the office right there. There's another panel. This must have been, oh, this is like their, wow, dude, this is awesome. This is seriously sweet as shit. There's where I came in. A big dock, like where they had deliveries and stuff, man. This thing is awesome. Oh, there's a little office back there. This thing is awesome. And of course, you know, every abandoned place has to have a bathroom. That's awesome right there. It's really nice. Those are like glass. And that's the sad part too, is like, look at this. This is concrete. Whoever owned this place gave a shit. Wow. I wonder what this was. Oh, this was like another door. I'll probably slid up. There's for their power. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Sometimes I like to take a memento, and there's no better memento than we can't ever let the American flag hang. But this place is awesome. This is really badass. All right.